Welcome to Lawyers Who Care, the video show podcast that highlights attorneys who go above and beyond for their clients. And on each episode, we will meet a new lawyer and they will share stories of when they went beyond legal counsel for the benefit of their client. My name is Andrew Samalin. I'm the principal of Samalin Wealth, an award-winning wealth management firm for lawyers, law firms, and their clients. And let's applaud lawyers who care and learn from them. Today, my guest is Candi Fulop of Fulop Law. Candi practices family law and is located in Harrison, New York. And welcome, Candi.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Candi, so you specialize in family law. And as we were chatting in advance of this podcast, we were talking about the different means and methods that folks can engage in a divorce matter. Can you maybe give us a 30,000-foot view and then tell us where your practice lies in that?
Sure. So when you're attempting to get divorced or separated or even have family issues, there are many platforms or different methods you can access, I should say. You could do it by mediation. You could do it by collaborative law. You can try and have an attorney settle. And if you have parenting issues, you can do parent coordination. And I'm sure I'm leaving one out, but that's what I think about at the moment.
So what are the main differences between, let's say, a litigated matter and a mediated matter and a collaborative matter?
So the whole point here is to stay out of court. And the service that we provide to our clients is to try to find a methodology to have them heard, give them a voice, and stay out of court. So I've been litigating for over 40 years. And the last couple of years, I've decided to get out of the court system as much as I can, except for the model where I represent children in the court system, and I absolutely love to do that. So I am still in court every day. That being said, the service to clients is to either mediate their issues, which means that a mediator, a neutral person, can be a therapist, a financial person, or an attorney, can help them bring all of their issues to resolution in a room, whether Zoom or in person, with the help of a neutral mediator. And that will be the sum total of all the issues: financial, separation of assets, assumption of debts, and custody, parenting, support, etc. The other is to use a parent coordinator, and a parent coordinator just focuses on the parents, the access time, the legal decision making, any conflict the parents may experience, and keeps the children in the eye of the parents and puts them forward first.
So Candi, let's assume I was a parent, or I am a parent, but let's assume I'm coming to your office, and I know that you have that as a service of yours that you focus on, you feel very passionately about. When would a child, an attorney for the child, come into play? Would it happen in a litigated case, a collaborative case, a mediation? When do those services get used?
So attorney for the child is only an attorney that's appointed by the court system. You can't hire an attorney for the child privately. So that's something that is just a court model, but even frequently in that model in the court, even with attorneys representing children, and that's from 0 to 18 years old, you still can avail yourself of a parent coordinator outside the court system. And both parents have to consent unless they're directed to do so by the court.
So in your office, what would you say that your main practice focus is, or you enjoy all of those facets with the exception of going to court?
So I practice all of those. I try to settle cases as well. But I think mediation is a wonderful model so that people can come, they can come to the table in a way that they feel is safe and private and confidential. And I really think it's the best form of mediation. Right now, I'm the vice president of the New York State Council for Divorce Mediation. And even though that's the title of the organization, we really help families in all different kinds of ways. Pre-divorce, couples that are not married at all, and just want to resolve all the issues. Maybe they have a child in common, maybe they have financial issues. I love to sit with people who don't want to go to court and really want to come to a resolution and it be peaceful and civil, and so that they can go on and be friends afterwards, or at least have a civil relationship, or maybe co-parent.
What's the most fulfilling part of your role as attorney for the child?
As attorney for the child, the most fulfilling role is when the child's voice is heard in a court, and I can make that happen for a child, because the child doesn't have a vote, they have a voice, and I'm the voice. So if I go in there and I can put that voice across to the court and hopefully to the parents, and that voice can be heard and hopefully incorporated into an agreement, that's my best day.
So just so everyone knows, my special guest today is Candi Fulop. Candi practices in family law. Her office is located in Harrison, New York. And for those guests that want to contact you, Candi, can you share some ways of social media, phone number, email?
Sure. My Facebook page is Fulop Law. I am CJ, like Candy Jan, CJ Fulop at fuloplaw.com. My office number is 914-948-0945. And I practice in Westchester County and also in Putnam County. But if you have need of any resources for other counties, please feel free to reach out. Or if you just have an issue and you just want to talk it through, I'd be happy to give you a few minutes.
Wonderful. This has been the Lawyers Who Care video show podcast that highlights attorneys who go above and beyond. If you're an attorney or know one that does go above and beyond, feel free to reach out to us, 914-666-6600, 914-666-6600. Candi, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you, Andy. Thank you for having me.